it's just 2 miles from the eye, towards the south, exactly around the perimeter of the island. It is obvious to everyone that these ships are too big to sail along the narrow streams where they are located. The way they got there is a complete mystery. This is especially strange considering the dimension of the ships and the hard work that towing them would have implied. Curiously enough, we discovered that in 2011, 4 circles similar to the eye appeared on the land and then disappeared covered by vegetation. We went on expedition to the place by boat to check the size of the ships and how difficult the journey was. We chose a day when the river was high, so our boat did not go aground, and towards the end of the autumn, when less vegetation is supposed to block the canal. As we sailed the stream, navigation was hard as the boat touched the riverbed and the riverbank. We were getting close as night was falling. We turned on the flashlight and kept on going down the twisting stream. Suddenly, we encountered the first ship. Our boat, which was too big to sail these waters, seemed like a toy compared to the 122 feet of rusty iron lying in front of us. We were able to confirm that navigating or towing this ship up to that point was almost impossible. And the reason why those ships were left at such a remote place is an unsolved mystery. For sure, this is one of the places we should investigate further.